Hi my lovelies, I'm Jen and this is Crifty Crafty.
Hi my lovelies, I hope you're all well. So today we're going to be making a Santa cam, and one of the main reasons I want to do this is because it's quite curved, and lots of you have been asking about putting vinyl onto kind of curved pieces. So most of it I'm going to keep exactly as it is. All I've done is sized it up. The reindeer here I'd previously purchased from Design Space, and all I've done is I've just kind of staggered them in a kind of semicircle. I just did it by the naked eye, so I just turned them and kind of did it by the naked eye. This I'm going to keep as it is, but this one I'm going to curve slightly in Design Space. So I'm just going to go and get a circle. And I'm just going to size it to 3 inches, and then I'm going to go in and ungroup these, ungroup to letters, and then I'm just going to slightly curve my letters around the circle. And this is all kind of really rough because it will go onto the cam part anyway. It's just to make it a little bit easier where there's a real kind of curve. The rest of it we'll do just by manipulating our transfer tape. But we're just going to very slightly curve these round. And I'm just going to have a quick play with those and get them all even. So I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to take my circle away. I'm just going to weld those together. So they'll sit like that, and they're all the sizes that I want as well. And if you're ever unsure when I kind of do a video like this where I'm very quickly in Design Space, it's because I've already covered it in several previous videos. So please do go and have a look at those. And we will cover all of this again in upcoming videos. It's just that today I really want to focus on applying the vinyl itself. So we're going to go ahead and go to make it. Oh no, we're not going to yet. I need to change the colours on everything. Right, so these two are going to cut on the same. So I want them to be red. And you can do colour sync, it's all right in front of me, so I'm just going to do it. Now, I fully expect as well to lose this snowflake just because it is really small. That's absolutely fine if that happens because we're going to add snowflakes in a bit anyway. This, and so I want that to cut that colour. I want that to cut on the same mat, so I'll do that in a cream as well. And then my reindeer, I want to cut them separately. So we're going to go to make it, and everything that's all separate. Those three I've welded together, that's separate, and these, although they're going to cut on the same mat, they're separate. So we're going to go to make it, and you'll see we have our 1, 2, 3 mats come up, and I just want to move that to there. That one's fine. I just want to move that along slightly. So we're just going to go to continue, and we're going to select our air. And my dial is set to custom, and I'm going to use crystalline glitter for mat 1 and mat 3, and mat 2 is going to be cricket glitter. The crystalline glitter is from craftycutter.co.uk, but all three will be on the glitter vinyl setting. But please do remember, if you're changing your vinyl in between mats, as in your vinyl type, and they need different cut settings, please do remember to change your mat to the appropriate cut setting. But as I say, these will all cut on the glitter vinyl setting. So just wait for our custom dial to come up. So we're just going to go to view all, and we're going to go down to vinyl and glitter vinyl. So now we're just going to go and load our mat and cut everything out. So I find the easiest thing to do is start in the middle. So I press down the middle letter,
and then either side I will place down one side first and press those letters down. And I don't worry about the transfer tape at all. If that bunches, it really doesn't matter. It's only my vinyl letters that I'm interested in. So I go in with my finger and just make sure that they're pressed down so they're flush with the cam. So then I go and do the other side, and you can see here that the transfer tape is bunching slightly. Again, I'm only interested in my vinyl lettering. With big letters like this, I'll do one kind of end at a time. So I start at the top end and then I move down to the bottom end. And all I do is just go in and keep smoothing the letters with my fingers. I'm not worried about any bunching in the application tape. I only care about my vinyl letters. So now I just go in and very gently start peeling away. And you'll see that my letters are all on exactly as they should be. It's nice and straight, and they're all adhered to the cam as well as they can be. So now I've put my second piece on, and again I'm starting in the middle, and I only put my middle piece down, and then again I go either side and start pressing down. And I'm literally only interested in the letters, and you'll see now that our transfer tape is starting to bunch, but my letters are going on beautifully. So, you know, I really don't mind that my transfer tape is doing all this, because as long as my letters are flush, that's all that I care about. And of course, because it's one piece, I haven't cut anything out. I'm not trying to add pieces to it. Everything is straight and everything is going on exactly as it should. So I'm just again going in with my fingers and giving that a really good smooth and making sure that my letters are adhered as they can be. And I'm just then going to slowly start peeling back my transfer tape. So now I'm just going to go in and make sure that my letters are nice and smooth, which they are, and I want them to be really well on there. So again, with this piece, I've only adhered the and the of down. So they're the only two pieces that I've stuck down, and I'm just going to go in and smooth either side down and make sure that they're as adhered as they can be. And I'm just using my finger to really kind of make sure it's down. And again, I'm just going to go and take my tape off. And you'll see that it's all on there, lovely and straight. And it's all as uniform as it should be, which is brilliant. So I've just got my reindeer, and to transfer them, because they're Cricut glitter, I've used some of the Cricut strong transfer tape. So I'm just going to go in and place my middle one first, then this one, and then this one. And again, I'm just using my fingers. And I'm not interested in what the transfer tape's doing. I'm only interested in what the vinyl's doing. Now with this, you are going to have to go in with a scraper. And I use the flat edge of my scraper for things like this. So because this is curved and it's the Cricut glitter, I'm not going to pull it off on camera because I'm going to have hands and fingers everywhere. So there's no point me doing that. So I'm just going to go away and take the transfer tape off. So that is our Santa cam all beautifully finished, and you can see that we've tackled several different types of curves, and we only actually curved our Santa text. Everything else we just kept as normal. And as I say, I find the best way for me is to start in the middle and then work outwards on each side. So as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do like, follow and leave any comments, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you all next time. Please do subscribe, like and comment below. Bye!